Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone in iOS 14 for YouTube or Safari videos. Since this feature is only available in the iOS 14 beta, you will have to download it from Apple's beta website, link in the description below. Basically, picture-in-picture mode lets you watch videos on your iPhone while doing other things like sending a message, checking your calendar, etc. Unfortunately, this feature is only available for videos viewed in Safari, so it won't work for the YouTube app. It will work for the YouTube mobile website though. Now to do this, open up Safari. Now click on a YouTube video. Put it in full screen mode, and you should see the picture-in-picture logo at the top left of the video. Now once you press this button, your video will be shrunk to one corner of the screen, leaving the rest for multitasking. As you can see, I can check the news, browse Safari, go into the music app, and do all of this while the video is still playing in the background. Now once you're done with whatever you were doing, you can press this button to start viewing the video in full screen again. What if you want to use picture-in-picture mode for a video that isn't in YouTube? Well, you're lucky because it's the exact same. For this demo, I found a video from the Ferrari website. Just like before, put the video in full screen mode and hit the picture-in-picture button. Another cool feature with picture-in-picture mode is that you can resize the window, move it up, down, left, right, or put it away to the left or right. And that's it, you've successfully used picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone.